Fix how to enable your disable AdSense account. When you have a Google AdSense account and you try to AdSense login and find it's disabled. You try again and again and then you check your email and find an email to let you know that your Google AdSense account disabled. Ugh! AdSense account is disabled, can I recover my Google AdSense? This is a most common question among website, blog or publishers who get banned from Google AdSense. The answer is a yes. You can send an appeal and recover a disabled AdSense account through AdSense Invalid Click Activity Appeal. Don't worry, in this article I will tell you how to enable your disable AdSense account or how to get Google AdSense. Why Google AdSense disable? Google disable AdSense account for different reasons. Here are primary reasons Google disable AdSense account. 1. Fraudulent clicks. 2. Fake traffic. 3. Previously banned account. Google will disable AdSense account disabled invalid click activity or if they found reasons. If your AdSense account is disabled due to invalid activity or AdSense account disabled for invalid traffic, then simply follow me. Let's start. AdSense disabled, how to get it back. Steps to enable your disable AdSense account. How to enable if your appeal is good, your account is 100% re-enabled. 1. Track every click with CFM plugin. 2. If your AdSense disabled detected invalid activity, so send this appeal. Click on the link and fill the form mentioned below. Name, enter your name. Contact email address, your email at gmail.com where email replay will be sent. If have an email associated with your AdSense account, provide it here. Example URLs where you've placed your ads, your website.com. Site where you intend to place the ads, should be active, your site.com. Have you ever purchased traffic to your sites, mobile apps, and/or YouTube channels? The answer is no. How do users get to your site, mobile app, and/or YouTube channel? How do you promote your content? Your answer: my site is very well known, with links all over the net. Have you or your site, mobile app, and/or YouTube channel ever violated the AdSense program policies or terms and conditions? If so, how? Your answer: in 2013 and 2014 there were a couple of incidents where ads on one of my SEO projects pages were considered borderline invalid, because of how users were getting to those pages. We resolved the situation by removing the ads from just those pages. In the 8 years since then, the Google Your Name relationship has been very happy. What was the reason for invalid activity on your site, mobile app, and/or YouTube channel? Please provide detailed information about all specific reasons that you believe to be relevant in your case. Your answer: I have no idea why your detector triggered. What changes will you implement to help improve ad traffic quality on your site, mobile app, and/or YouTube channel? When answering, please refer to our suggestions on how to prevent invalid activity. Your answer: no. Please include any data from your site, mobile app, and/or YouTube channel traffic logs or reports that indicate suspicious IP addresses, refers, or requests which could explain the invalid activity. Your answer: we have detected invalid activity on this IP. Enter your IP mention in your email, and we also inform the Google AdSense team. Please check. I took a look and saw nothing unusual. If you give me some hint of what to look for, maybe I could be more helpful.